at the Soundbite Cafe. 1, 2, 3. Peas and peas. That rhymes. Serve the snake 3 slices. 1, 2, 3. Snake and cake. That rhymes.
Okay, hold on, Blaire, before you pick, let's hear voices.
Ripe, that doesn't rhyme.
Hold on, you gotta listen to the instructions.
Sounds like try serving a different food.
Let's listen to the instructions.
And pear.
You gotta listen to the
That
instructions.
rhymes.
Here.
This fly has ordered the large piece of pie.
Alright, good job.
And fly. That rhymes. This ape wants more than one grape. Ape and grape. That rhymes.
Good job, Blaire.
Serve the goose some refreshing juice. Goose and juice. That rhymes. It's
Hold on,
fun to
Blaire.
try
Listen,
new foods.
listen. Hold on, listen.
And try serving a different hot sauce. That tastes spicy. This animal would like to try something steak. That's a sweet treat.
Okay, Blaire.
This animal would like to try something that tries serving a different food. Popcorn. That tastes salty. Do you want to keep playing? Yes, this animal would like to try a food that is served. This animal, tea.
Okay, Blaire.
That's hot.
Now, in the next
This
one,
animal would
listen,
like to try a food that is
Listen.
cold. What do you suggest?
it says to serve some food. Serve the food that is cold. Which one is cold?
Ice cream cone.
Right.
That's cold.
It's cold, right?
This
Okay,
animal would
listen.
like to try something that
hold on.
tastes sour.
So
What do
serve
you recommend?
something that tastes sour. Like sour. What tastes sour? Good job. Lemon, right? Lemon tastes sour. Right.
Lemon.
Yeah.
That
Good job.
pucker his lips. Do
Okay.
you want to keep playing?
Yeah.
Yes, this animal would like to try a food
Hold
that
on.
is cold.
Okay.
What do you suggest?
So this animal would like to try some food. Try the food that is cold. Which food is cold? Popsicle. Right. It's
That's
cold, right?
cold and
Good
refreshing.
job.
This animal
Hold on.
would like to try something that tastes popcorn.
Ah.
That tastes salty.
Hold on.
This animal would like to try something sweet to eat.
Okay.
What do
So
you suggest?
this animal would like to try to taste something that is sweet. Which is, what food is sweet?
Cake.
Good job. Cake is
That's
sweet.
a sweet treat.
That's the cake. What
Do you
else?
want to keep playing?
Donut too, right?
Yes, this animal would
Okay,
like to
hold
try a
on.
food that tastes spicy. What do
So-
you recommend?
This animal wants to try the food that is spicy. Hot. Spicy. Which one is hot?
Chili peppers.
Correct.
That tastes spicy.
Chili
This
peppers.
animal would like to try a food
Hold
that
on.
is served hot.
Okay, this animal wants to
Serve
try
your
the
choice
food
carefully.
that is hot. Hot food. Which one is a hot food?
Hot dog.
Ah, hot
That's
dog.
hot.
Correct.
This animal would like to try something that tastes sour.
So
Bear wants to eat what?
the bear wants to eat something that is sour.
Sour apple.
Yeah.
Lemon.
Lemon is sour,
That
right?
will pucker his lips.
Good job.
And there was Captain Washington